Located in the heart of medical innovation and advanced therapeutic treatments, welcome to the Villa of Youth, a world-class medical facility and spa located just minutes from San Diego in the thriving Zona Rio district in Baja California. Adjacent to the luxurious Hotel Pueblo Amigo Plaza and Casino, we provide advanced anti-aging, NK therapy, regenerative, immunotherapeutic, and pain management treatments, as well as a broad range of cosmetic procedures that are unparalleled in these fields. We offer the very best cutting-edge science and medicine that can make a huge difference in your well-being, immune system, beauty, and longevity. These validated therapies go beyond what's available in the US, and you're going to find them here. With our unique approach, you'll overcome your challenges and optimize your goals of optimal health and beauty. You deserve to feel better, look better, and perform better. The regenerative medicine therapeutic products that we provide follow US FDA guidelines and are third-party validated. Our cells are sourced under strict US cGMP guidelines as well. Our pure MSC golden cells are unique. They are fully characterized phenotypic and genotypic expressions. This is a patented technology that has been vigorously studied. Restoring and boosting one's immune system is key to addressing the serious health needs of our clients. Those facing serious autoimmune disorders, life-threatening chronic diseases, arthritis, respiratory, and chronic pain issues need our unique, non-drug regenerative therapy. And now it's our pleasure to introduce our Chief Medical Director, Dr. Carlos Soria.
Hello, my friends. This is Dr. Carlos Soria. And please, allow me to tell you about our new clinic and medical project. As you may already know, stem cell therapy is the most exciting medical breakthrough in the century. And it seems that every day we hear about another patient being cured or treated using stem cell therapy. But imagine if stem cell therapy can regenerate any cell or organ of the body, what can it do to rejuvenate the entire body? This new clinic is combining our rejuvenating external treatments with your face and body, plus the power of the stem cell therapy to achieve incredible results. In order to be able to offer you this remarkable therapy, I am proud to tell you I have designed a special clinic here in Tijuana, Mexico, has been approved by COFEPRIS, which is the equivalent to the FDA in the United States. And just 5 minutes from San Diego, we have this clinic that we are offering you this treatment. Since I've been working with aesthetic medicine for the last 40 years, well, now we have combined the facial skin rejuvenation programs with the stem cells, the hair regrow with the stem cells, internal rejuvenation treatments with the stem cells with good results. Please visit our web page or call to the telephone that you will see underneath the screen. Thank you very much for the time, and I hope to see you soon.